Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to export your LinkedIn contacts. To begin, navigate to your profile icon and select it. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Next, locate and click on the Data Privacy section. Under the How LinkedIn Uses Your Data header, find the second option labeled Get a Copy of Your Data and click it. To successfully export your contact list, you must choose the first option to download a larger data archive. This comprehensive file includes your connections, verifications, contacts, account history, and profile-based insights. Select that option and then hit Request Archive. Your data will be prepared for download within approximately 24 hours. That is the process for exporting LinkedIn contacts. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.